just perfect. I was supposed to take it. Move. That's about it. Last time this thing's been on the road was 83. Making some progress here, just pulling out this nasty carpet, revealing what's underneath, which from the looks of it looks bad, but when I clean it up it won't look too bad. Got the carpet out. Let's take a look in here. Check this out. When's the last time you seen one of these? You think it's still good? Floors look good so far from what I've been seeing. They're not nothing too terrible that we can't like clean up. No holes, which is really nice. Looks good. Glad that carpet didn't hold any water and absolutely destroy it, because it definitely could have. So I'm waiting for some parts to come in so we can start working on the engine, but I sprayed some degreaser last night back here, over here, and you kind of see the difference. So I think I'm gonna spray the rest of the truck with some degreaser, trying to clean it up, just the small stuff. Also try to clean up the interior as best as possible. I don't think I showed too many videos of what it looked like before, but it cleaned up decent. I think I'm gonna spray it again and clean it up a little bit more. I ended up cleaning the windows while I was waiting for the engine crane to come up, and then just lubricating everything up so that everything kind of worked out. And it's starting to come together. It's starting to clean up a little bit nicer. So I keep forgetting to take videos, but I ripped out all the carpet, cleaned it up pretty well. There's no holes, nothing like that. Everything's fixable. And then we took the hood off, and now we're pulling the motor out. And that's basically all I've done so far. We got a bunch of parts we're gonna be painting. The guy's coming over later today. Take a look at them. Just random shit like the handles, the mirrors, bezels, grill, just like that. Bumper hopefully as well. Just spice it up a little bit, I think, and update you when I have this thing pulled. So we got the motor out. I'm gonna end up cleaning this up and then boxing the frame for the new motor. It's definitely gonna need to box it. Just have the hood up here for now, and then we just put, for now, the motor back here. And we're probably gonna end up junking it unless somebody wants it. Let me know. It's spins free. I just don't need it for the project that I'm doing. So that and a 3-speed manual transmission. If you also want that, hit me up. Otherwise, we're gonna start cleaning it up so we can put a new motor in it. I'm gonna wait to pull this transmission until I know where it's going, because it is the 3-speed on the tree, but I really don't want it, and I really don't need it, especially for what motor I'm gonna put in it. So figure out where we're gonna go with it, and then we'll pull it. So I guess should probably clarify on what took so long on this video. Is I was waiting 4 weeks for an engine crane to come in, because if you couldn't really tell, I'm doing this project on the side of the road, and I bought an engine crane, not gonna say where. It was supposed to be overnight, and they only brought me 1 box, and it took 4 weeks to find the second box of the hardware and whatnot for it. I'm not gonna say what company or where I got it from, because honestly I'm not trying to catch strays from a corporation, but it took 4 weeks to get an engine crane so that I could pull this motor. I was so close to just returning it and buying a different one because it was frustrating, but that's what took so long between these videos. So I got 2 options or 2 ideas for the motor that I want to put in here. It's either going to be a Duramax with a ZF6 manual, which is kind of boring in my opinion. It's just a Duramax swap with manual transmission. Or idea number 2 was a 5-liter Cummins with a G56 manual. Hasn't been done before. I don't think there's any 5-liter Cummins with a manual made it up to it yet. It'd be pretty cool, pretty unique, but I also kind of want to save that idea for another project, so I'm not quite sure what motor yet. It's between the two. I know I definitely want to do a V8 diesel with a manual transmission. It's just which one, I'm not sure yet. Probably going to end up doing Duramax with the ZF6, but I don't know. In my opinion, that's pretty boring. I think it'd be pretty cool to see a 5-liter Cummins with a G56 in here. We're going to figure that out, though. It's probably all the time I have for this video. Next video, we're going to be boxing the frame and cleaning it up some more to try to make some measurements for the new motor mounts and the new motor that's going inside of it. And next video, we're going to be painting all the accessories, the mirrors, the badges. Couldn't quite get the bumper off quite yet. This bolt right here is being a pain in the ass. Otherwise, next time you see this, it'll probably be painted and probably get cleaned up. So yeah.